Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can host a server on Stardew Valley. So launch a game and click on co-op right here. Go right here to the host, click on host new farm, wait for it to load here, select and write a name. Here you can select farm name, so write to farm. Here you can enter favorite thing, etc. And you can click OK. And after that you need to allow some application to run right here. And as you can see, the intro starts. There was an option to skip an intro, but I didn't click that, so I will skip this. And now, when your game, click escape button on your keyboard, go to the options and scroll down until you see, let me see where it is. Just go to the options and right here where it says multiplayer, you can select here for the offline, friends only or invite only. So I make sure to set invite only because I want only to join invited people. So right here you can show invite code. This is the code. You can copy it and send it where you need to send it. And that's pretty much it. With this code, your friends will be able to join the co-op. So that's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe to Guide to Everything. Comment down below for the algorithm and see you in the next one.